Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Today I'm heading over to Osaka Station. I've been just trying to look for some interesting stuff to do, but I'm at this station right here, Ibaraki Station, and it's a really unique looking station. There's not many people here, but yeah, I'm on my way to Shin, Osaka, because I found some like cool stuff around there. Maybe it's not gonna be as cool, but I gotta check it out anyways. But today is really hot. It's supposed to rain all week. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, I don't know, it's like raining all week, so I figured I'd just try to get as many videos as possible today while it's hot. It's so hot today. It feels like it's 10 degrees hotter, but it's just humid. They got this cool little liquor store over here, and then they got this grocery store. I want to check it out because I want to get some snacks because I didn't eat anything today. Like these step alcohol things. This place is called the Oasis, and they always have this place is always like high class looking all the time. All the Oasis I've been to they all look newly built, like this one. Look at these tiny watermelons. They're only $6. These big ones are $30. Some fresh sushi here. There's a meat selection. It's pretty cool. Got a little bakery in the back. This little deli here. Alright, they even got a basement floor. Oh, this place is even bigger downstairs. Got some special types of ice cream here. Soy latte. It's interesting. Maybe for like vegans. Got some frozen yogurt. Zero sugar-free ice cream. I just wanted to get some of these dates. And here's the ice cream section. And here's your liquor section. I'm gonna get some of these cantaloupes. It's 30% off. It's probably from last night. $4. Alright, I'm gonna sit here real quick and eat my melon or cantaloupe. Here it is. This was $4. I like how they always give you like something, like a utensil, like a pick. It's pretty good. Alright, I got to the station. If you want a full tour, I'll leave the link down below. I was here a couple months ago and I did a full tour of this place. This is my second time being here. Just checking out if there's any good food for me. Got some dessert over there. I saw a steak place, but I don't know, it didn't look that good. It looked alright. Alright, so last time I stopped right there and just walked the other way and then went back home, but this time I'm gonna go out a little bit further and I'm gonna go through this building. I think that's what you're supposed to do. A lot of looks like a lot of people are going through this mall. Maybe people, not a mall, but I think it's an office building, but I think people work here, so it's connected to this long bridge that goes right to the station. So this place is a huge office building with a bunch of restaurants inside and a Starbucks inside too. Alright, so the reason I wanted to go to this place is I was just looking for malls around the area, and when it's hot in the summer like this, it's best to go into like a nice air-conditioned mall. But this mall was a little special. It had like Gucci stuff and Polo. I'm assuming it's like fake clothes, but I just wanted to check it out myself, so I just thought maybe I can record it at the same time. So I think we're almost there, about 5 minutes. This old building, I think it wouldn't be too bad around wouldn't be too bad to live around here. This is Shin, Osaka, so you can probably get to a lot of places really quickly. There is a sports depot. We might go there. I think this is the place actually. We'll go right here. Alright, I think this is the place. This is the building. And then there is also some sort of mall on the side right here. I think it's a life store actually. Maybe we'll go in there real quick too. And then I wanted to walk. There's supposed to be a show Tengai another 10 minutes that way, so that might be another video. That might be this video. So let's just go look in here for a second. I feel like there's not going to be a lot of things in here, and there's not going to be anybody inside. Yeah, I was thinking maybe this is going to be like just old people's clothes, you know, like this stuff. Yeah, it might be nothing interesting. Oh, this place is also connected to the life store. It's called Central Square Life. Alright, so maybe this stuff is real. It's just, maybe it's just like the older model type of t-shirts, like ones that are like 10 years ago. See, even like these Lacoste shirts are 100 bucks though. And then these Calvin Klein shirts are still 40 bucks. Let's see. Got some polo shirts for 50 bucks. They got like a tie place, some belts. Yeah, it seems like just for the older crowd, like these types of clothes for my mom. I think my mom would love this type of clothes. This as well. It's really interesting. It reminds me of like Korea or something like that. Looks like the same up here. They're playing Sheryl Crow instrumental. Oh, and then it connects to the life store. Yeah, like these vests are really popular with the older grandpas. These t-shirts are $5. They have a suit place here. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad that I came here because I was so curious about this place, but yeah, it kind of just, my predictions were pretty much right. I knew that it was gonna be something like this, but at least I came to check. I think that polo store in the beginning was the best store. Alright, let's just go to the life store. This is Central Square Life. Even the air conditioning was really low in the area. Oh, it feels so much better here. So this is like a life store plus a mall maybe? And then we'll go on our way to the Shotengai over around here. It might be also disappointing as well. This is a grocery store. Life. I used to live by Life before. They always have a lot of good stuff here. So the grocery store is down below, and then here's some, they got some shoes up here. I mean, they got some name brands here. They got Fila, Champion, Outdoor. They even have a bookstore back there. See, they got some Adidas shirts here. I mean, these are pretty cheap. These are for like kids, for like parents, you know, to buy cheap clothes for their kids. I mean, they're still not even cheap. This shirt is like 30 bucks. But comparably to other stores, I'm sure it's, especially if you go to the Nike store like this one, it's still 30 bucks. You go to a Nike store, you buy like a better one, but it's like 50 bucks. You might find some sales. This one's 20% off actually, so. They even have arcades up here. The life store near my house actually did have a little bit of arcades as well. Got some crane games. I'm so tempted to play, but don't do it. They even sell like cheap suits here, and they're probably not even that cheap. The quality is probably just mediocre. Alright, they got a whole bunch of stationaries, a lot of pens and paper and notebooks. Really nice life store. Alright, the store is connected to this life store. I wonder if there's anything on the other side, but yeah, it was kind of it's a little disappointing, but I kind of expected that it was gonna be disappointing. I didn't expect too much from there. I just been seeing it on Google Maps, so I'm so curious to look at it, so I checked it off my list, and now I don't have to be curious about that place anymore. I'm thinking about just stopping in by the sports depot real quick. Yeah, I might check it out real quick. Alright, this place is weird because Usually these stores are standalone, but it's like together, but it's not actually like a mall. So it has like Sports Depot, Shin, Cycle Plaza, a drugstore, a pet store, and a Daiso. And then yeah, let's just go look inside. I'm curious to what it looks like inside. Alright, I believe Daiso and the Cycle Plaza is on the first floor, and then Sports Depot is on the second floor, and Joshin. Alright, so Joshin's on the right and Sports Depot is on the left. And it's kind of like the same downstairs where Daiso's on the left and that Cycle Center place is on the right side. We got a few mini claw games over here for kids. These Sports Depots are usually really big, but this one's kind of small, but it's still big. Looks like it's all the like hiking outdoor gear over here. North Face, Columbia. Some like some outdoor gear, some benches and chairs, cooking utensils or grills and stuff like that. Some sleeping bags. This is the baseball section. Japanese people love their baseball, so they got a lot of equipment here. But they got a lot of equipment, everything. They even have a batting cage in here, which is pretty cool. I think it's just kind of practice. Nothing shoots out at you. Maybe there's some balls back there. Here's some gloves. Here's some bats. Some more bats and gloves. I used to play baseball when I was a kid. I think I had a Mizuno. Got stolen out of my car when my car got stolen. Got some Mizunos over here. There's some soccer equipment. The basketball stuff. Yeah, it's mostly clothes. Some Adidas clothes here. Here's some soccer balls, soccer shoes. Maybe basketballs over there in the corner. Here's some basketballs. I want to buy a basketball, but I don't want to carry it home. These are only $10. Guess I can order it online. Got even a Spalding. 20 bucks. Here's the shoe section. They probably don't have anything really good. They probably have like, you know, the lower end, cheaper models here. So it's good for like kids to shop here. I mean, if I had a kid, I'd probably shop here too. You can get like, you know, low-end North Face shoes, 70 bucks. That's kind of pricey, I guess. Yeah, some of these shirts are 30% off, but it's still like 30 bucks. So, like this one, it's 30 bucks. I think if you want to get Nike, the outlet mall is probably the best way to go. Yeah, I don't know if this is already 30% off or... Yeah, there's an additional 30% off of the sale tag. Alright, we're not gonna go to Joshin, but I want to check out this pet plaza. I see them. They sell dogs here. This is Shiba Inu. This cage is so small. How much is it? This one's about $6,000. So cute. I saw the same type of dog for about 200 bucks. Oh no, it's $600? No, I think it's $6,000. There's a small Chihuahua. This one's about $4,000. I think these dogs are overpriced at this store. Look at this crazy one. This one's about $6,000. I think these dogs are all overpriced. They're all like $5,000, $6,000. Got a cat in here. This cat's about $2,000. Got some more cats. They're all about $2,000. This place also sells fish. Stinky over here. This has some chinchillas. Some rabbits. All right, those rabbits were about like $100 to $200. That pet store is this pet store is connected to, I think this is a Konan, which is like a home improvement store, which is weird, and it kind of stinks all over the this place here. All right, what an interesting place. I've never seen a store like this. It's kind of weird. It's like not even, I've never seen a store like this where it's like all of the stores put together plus the pet store inside. It's kind of like a bunch of people with money was like, okay, we're just gonna build this store and then we're gonna invest in this big warehouse. Yeah, I thought it was pretty interesting. I'm glad that I came out here. I think it's because it's on this side of town. Maybe on this side of town it's, I don't know, it's like usually when it's like open like this, they'll have like one little area where people need stuff, where they might need animal products. Maybe they need sportswear, they need 100 yen shop, they need groceries. So they'll all just put it in one little area, and this place is kind of far from like the main area, so I can see why they have stuff like this. And then there'll probably be nothing for another, like, you know, 2 to 5 miles or kilometers around here. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I thought it was really interesting. I hope you thought it was interesting as well. I'm gonna go shoot another video going down this way to a Shotengai. Hopefully there's things around there that's interesting, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Check out this motorcycle.